Yeah, back to the moss removal. Put a video up, and I've been honest, I think it was 9 weeks ago. I'll turn the camera around here and show you how the grass is going. Yeah, it's nice and green and flush. You can see the dark bits, and I'll show you why we have dark bits here. There's where I finished with the Scarifier. You can sort of see where the rest of the garden still has plenty of green moss, but I use this stuff here, lawn feed, weed and moss killer granules, and I say I've done it. What moss was left has died. Now I've got big patches. I don't really know exactly what's the right procedure for this, and but what I was thinking, I'm going to give it a good cut with the lawnmower. I'm going to take out Cheap and Cheerful, the Scarifier, for the simple reason I need it again. Bring you up here, right? There's where what was left black. There's still a lot of thatch there. We'll keep pulling. Look at how much that there before I actually get down to the soil. There's the soil there. That's just doing my head in, to be honest. I'll give it another good Scarifier, and probably head to town and get some grass seed, but I'll put the camera down here for a few minutes and get the Scarifier out, and we'll give it a run across a few times just to see how much more stuff we're going to lift out of this. Yeah, I've mowed the grass down to approximately 40 mils in height, and it was roughly, on this particular machine, it was a Parkside machine, is it? Yeah, Parkside level 3. That's thirsty, my Cheap and Cheerful Scarifier. This is the blades actually going to do the work. These will be rotating around quite a high speed, and I'll throw it over here. We'll have her set at level 2. Level 1's the deepest, level 2's the next one up, and level 4 would be the highest. So I've set it at level 2. Maybe I'm right, maybe I'm wrong. Some of you guys maybe know more about these than I do, but we'll have a wee go with Cheap and Cheerful. We'll not put the grass box on it. I've just tied back a wee bit. Once we do a run, we'll rake the moss up, or whatever comes out the thatch, and that's the way I'm going to do it. Now we're over here to see what we've actually done. Look, we'll see how much material is still there, and how much just came up. So maybe I need to go to level 1. We'll maybe try the next one on level 1 and see, are we getting low enough. Like I say, this garden is 30 years of neglect, and hopefully we can get it into some sort of shape before the end of the summer. Okay, I have scarified this at the deepest setting. There's not really much left. The really bare pieces was the black pieces where I originally started, where the moss was killed. Very little grass left. In fact, I have filled approximately 2.5 builder's bags. I'm going to sow grass seed on it and give it a light rake in, and maybe in a couple or 3 weeks time we'll see how it's going then. But basically I just wanted a wee miniature football pitch for my grandkids. I'm going to put goal posts or something along there, but that's my grass seed. I made a box for inside this sword's quite big, and just put that wee box in, taped it to the bottom, and we're going to sow this grass seed. So that's it for today. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. It doesn't cost us to subscribe, so if you want to subscribe, please do so.